welcome back to another video. So today we're going to quickly discuss how to use M Laptimer in your brand new M3 or M4 G80, G82. So first thing you want to do is make sure that you've got the Laptimer downloaded onto your phone. Then you want to make sure that you connect your phone and make sure the M Laptimer application is open on your phone. And then what you need to do is we're going to go over to apps in your iDrive. And on the installed app, you should be able to find M Laptimer. So go ahead and select that. So as long as your app is up and running, you will see this screen. You'll see that start recording button. So what you can do is press that. And then there you go. So you got your Laptimer going. It's pretty easy to use. And you can also use video recording on your M Laptimer. So that is done via the app on your phone. So you can have that mounted up. So up here, you can record your drive. You can start the recording via the application in the iDrive. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use as well. So you got any questions about Laptimer, how it works, just drop a comment in there and we're ready to roll. You can actually stop recording too. So when you're done, get back to pit lane. It'll transfer all that data to your phone with some statistics. Obviously here, we're not moving anywhere. So not much in terms of stats to see, but that's it.